Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and right now I want to go over AMC stock because AMC had a pretty nice close today, and I did reopen a position here to end off the week here on AMC. So right now we're looking at AMC on the daily time frame. You guys know I've been preaching about this $11 line of resistance for a really long time, but I want to explain to you where that actually comes from. So since about 2017, you could see right here, this level at $11, if you kind of just track this line across this 11, you can see we've had support and resistance tested a whole bunch of times here on AMC, and so we are in this certain range. And so AMC trades in blocks, and when we're above the $11 range, we are looking for AMC to trade between 11 and 20 for a period of time. And so the reason why I like AMC today is because if I zoom this in a little bit and we go here to our 30-minute time frame, we actually got a very nice close. So today we had a nice breakout above, didn't really get our back test, we came back, we broke down, and then we got a nice back test right here, and this is exactly where I got in. And so right now we are sitting above here on AMC. We closed off significantly red, which I don't like, but I did end up opening a position. And so this is a speculative position right now on AMC. We know they got their earnings out, they lost $4 billion. Their market cap is only about $3.5 billion, so they lost more than their entire market cap. And so you already know for a long-term investment that does not look good, but the risk reward right now looks pretty favorable. If AMC does break down, I have a very tight stop loss set here at around $10.85. And so if it goes below that, I will cut my losses and then we will look for another re-entry. I also like just how the stock is building. Like if we kind of just look at this, how it's kind of just scooping, and then scooping. When you see a scoop like this, it's just kind of building momentum to the upside, slowly but surely building. And so I am expecting a move now that is going to be a little bit larger here to the upside. And so if we can maintain holding this $11 range, I do think AMC is going to continue to trade between 20 and 11 for a period of time. And if we can somehow break that $20 line of resistance, this stock could go crazy. Because if we kind of just track this back since the inception of this stock, here we go until about 2014. You could just track my line right here, this dotted black line. You could see we tested as support here, we tested as support here, and then we broke down right here. We came back, we back tested, got rejected, and even our first run up came to about $20. So this $20 line is a target price that I have with my play in AMC. And so because AMC trades in these segments, that's kind of how I've been playing it. So we had a segment between 2 to 4, that was a swing play, and then we had one from 4 to 11, which is another swing play, and now we could potentially be in a range of 11 and 20. But one thing to remember, if AMC does get back above $20, their market cap is going to be extremely high, and you know they just lost more than their market cap. So that would let me know that that's extremely overvalued. And so if you do end up seeing AMC get above $20, don't get greedy expecting it to go to 100, 200. Take your profits while you're up, because as fast as this thing is going to go up, it's going to go down just as fast. And this first run that we had should have kind of let you know about that. We went up extremely quick and we went down just as fast. And so don't let the same thing happen to you twice. If you were bag holding for this first run up, don't get caught bag holding on the second run up. That's the only advice that I can give, that hopefully you guys don't become bag holders on a stock like AMC. And so that is why I trade a stock like this, because I know fundamentals do not match something that I want in my portfolio for the long term. But that does not mean that this volatility is not tradable, because this thing has been going crazy up and down. And so now that we are above our $11 level, we are looking for a target of about $20. We don't know when we'll get there, but we are going to be trading in that range. And so another bullish thing that I just want to go over right here is our MACD. Our MACD had a nice little bounce right here, and so this was a solid bounce to kind of let us know that we still have some bullish momentum. And now we really have no signs of any sort of crossover or any selling. Bulls have full control right now, and we'd love to see this one just kind of keep going up, and as we go up, our MACD will continue to climb. And just remember, our MACD right here from here was a jump from $7 to $11. And so if we can get our MACD back to even somewhat of these levels, just imagine what price we could be trading at. So I did open up a position again here on AMC in anticipation of a nice move next week. And so remember guys, we are looking for a $20 line of resistance. That's going to be extremely difficult to break, but if we do break it, then we will explode. Right now we are back into that range of 11 to 20, and in between that you can kind of trade it and play it how you want to play it. But if we do break down from 11, I have a stop loss tightly at 1085, and then I will look for a re-entry when the time is right. But kind of just remember those two levels, and you should do very well here in the short term in AMC. So if you guys enjoyed this quick little update video, don't forget to like. We are on the road to 10K subs, so if you made it to this point, feel free to hit that subscription button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.